Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my presentation. This is Teacher Mini. Last session we have discussed about volume of prisms. We have successfully completed that unit. Today we will start a new topic, Unit 16, Probability. In this unit we will be discussing about sample space diagram. Before starting sample space diagram, just revise what is probability and the things. All the probabilities lie somewhere on a scale between impossible and a certain. Okay, likely, even, certain, all the things. Okay, a fair dice is rolled. What is the probability of rolling 3? Okay, how we can solve it? This is just a revision part of probability. In the dice, there are 6 numbers 1 to 6. What is the probability of getting 3? You can see only 1 3 is there. So, the answer is 1. And the total number of faces, outcomes are here 6. So, we can write the probability of getting 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Next one, 5 or 6. So, we are taking here two numbers 5, 6, that is 2. The total is 6. Okay. So, 2 by 6. An even number. So, look at there, even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. So, we got 3 numbers. So, we can write 3 by 6. In the simplest form, it is 1 by 2. So, simplest form is not compulsory. You can write 3 by 6. Okay, no problem. The last one, the probability of getting 7 from this question. Can you see 7 there? Yeah, no 7. So, answer would be 0. 0 by 6, it is equal to 6. Okay, now discuss what is a space diagram. Okay, in this unit, we are discussing about some objectives able to calculate the probability of mutually exclusive events, able to draw sample space diagram, able to calculate probabilities using the sample space diagram. Okay, so we are discussing the 3 points in this unit. Okay, so probability events, the chance of getting outcomes. Outcome means the result. Sample space means set of all possible outcomes, and we are used S for sample space. Okay, now we are discussing about some examples. What is sample space? What is experiment? Okay, we are taking one experiment, toss a coin. Tossing a coin. Okay, so coin has two face, head and tail. So it will get two outcomes. So we can write S is equal to head tail. So this is the way we are writing sample space. The outcomes, the result we are writing in a bracket. Next one, roll a die. Dice means 6 faces are there. So you can write 1 to 6. Okay, next one. Answer a true false questions. Yes or no questions. You will get yes or no. Two options are there. So you can write sample space is equal to true, comma, false. Toss 2 coins. So you will get 2 head and tail and head and 2 tail. Okay, so this is the way we are writing sample space. And there's some more examples. Okay, the same like that. We have an experiment here, outcomes and the sample space. Outcomes and sample space both are same, but sample space we are writing in a bracket. Look at that. Here we are taking a head, tail with the combination of a dice. Okay, how many outcomes are there for rolling a die? How many outcome we will get when you are using a die? Yeah, correct. It is 6. How many outcomes are there for tossing a coin? It is 2. Okay, then how many outcomes are there in the sample space of rolling a die and tossing a coin together? Look at the box in the top of this slide and you can see how many boxes are there. Okay, yes, correct, 12. Okay, so combination is 12, 6 into 2, 12 outcomes. Okay, so we can discuss a sample space by using the 2 coin. You can draw the sample space diagram. This is the way you are drawing the diagram and filling the box. Head and tail, head and tail. The first box is head and head, then head and tail. Next one tail and head, last one tail and tail. Okay, so there are 4 possible outcomes. So you will get 4 answers, 4 outcomes, 4 results are there. Okay, so probability of getting 2 heads together. Okay, don't take other things. So we need 2 heads together. That is only one option. First one. That's why 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the way of writing sample space diagrams. Now we are using a dice and a coin. You can write the sample space H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, that is head, and tail T, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. A coin and a 10-sided die are thrown and the outcomes recorded in the two-way table below. That is, 2 tables are there, the dice and coin you can see here. Dice, they write 1 to 10 and coin, head and tail. Okay, so we can start now how to complete the table inside. First column only for head, second one only for tail. So complete that one. So you will get like that. The answer is 1H, 2H, 3H, like that. It is clear for you? Okay. There are 3 questions we have to solve according to the table. How many outcomes are there? So please count the red written boxes. Okay, count it. Yes, correct. It is 20 outcomes are there. Then, what is the probability of getting head and an even number? In this question, there are 2 conditions, head and even number. Okay, take the first condition, head. That means only look at the head column. Okay, then only look at the head part, then even number. Even number means all we know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, then head and even number came together in which are the boxes? Count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, head and even comes 5 boxes. So you will get 5 by 20. Next one, what is the probability of getting a tail and a square number? Okay, so tail. Okay, only concentrate the last section, tail. And a square number. Square number means 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3. Only like that. Okay. So in this section, square number you will get 1, 4 and 9. Okay. 1T, 4T and 9T. So you got 3 numbers. So 3 by 20. Okay. So this is the way we have to write our sample space diagram, and below there will be some questions. According to the diagram, you can complete the questions. We have here the dice. 2 dice are there, red and blue. It is a product, sum of the number. When you complete, you will get like this. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then last one, 6 dots are there, and with you are adding with the 1. So, okay, 6 and 1, you can write then 7. This is the way you can complete all the boxes. So, you will get up to 12. Okay. So, there are 36 columns are there. So, okay, 6 red and 6 blue, 6 into 6, 36 is the total outcome. Okay, so we have some questions. Okay, so we have to answer the questions. So, sample space diagram is ready. By adding the number, you got the diagram. And look at the questions. There are 3 questions we have to answer. What is the probability of getting the sum of 7? You can see here 7. Okay, how many 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s are there. Okay, so what is the total of this probability space diagram? So you will get 6 by 36. Simplest form is 1 by 6. If you are confusing to write the simplest form, you can avoid, or you can write 6 by 36. It's okay. But if it is possible, try to write in the simplest form. Okay, next one. What is the probability of getting some that odd number? Odd numbers means, look at the box. Circle the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, that is odd number. Circle it and then count it. So, you will get 18 odd numbers are there. So, 18 by 36. Okay. What is the probability of getting the prime number or even number? Here also, last question we discussed, no, same like that. There are 2 conditions. Question number 3, there are 2 conditions, prime number and even number. So, first you think about the prime numbers and then you think about the even numbers. Okay, look at that. These all numbers is circled now, they are prime. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5 and last one is 11. All prime we circled. Okay, then what is the second condition? Even number. Okay, circle the even numbers. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Only 9 is left over. 9 is not a prime, not even. So, 9 is not coming in our answer. Okay, all total you will get 32 numbers by 36. Okay, it is clear now? Very good. We will go for the next one. Imagine one dice was red and one was blue. Red and blue, 2 dice, and we have to complete. You can see here the plus on the top, that means adding and writing the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you complete, you will get up to 12, and here also 36 outcomes are there. Okay, so there are 36 equally likely outcomes. 36 boxes are there. How many 7? Just we finished 7, 36, 7, 6 by 36. Okay, and what is the probability of getting 12? Okay, how many 12s are there? Ready? Yes, correct. 1 12, 1 by 36. Okay, so what is the probability of getting 6? Okay, just above the 7. Count at 10. Tell me. Yes, correct. 5. 5 by 36. Okay, so don't forget to write as a fraction form, and the total number is 36. How you got 36? It is number of boxes in the space diagram. Okay, one question. The total should be same. 36. If you are dealing with the 6 dice and 6 dice, your outcomes are 36. So, this all the questions based on coming this space diagram, you can write divide by 36. The number will be changed in the numerator part. Okay, probability of getting 8. So, please count how many 8 you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 by 36 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 36. Okay, and even number. Just we finish the even number 18. Okay, probability of getting 0. Can you see any 0 number is there? No. Okay, so 0 by 36. Probability of getting more than 7. More than 7 means you can count all the numbers more than 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, you will get 15 numbers. Okay. So, count all the number more than 7. The last one, probability of getting 3, 5 or 10. So, count 3. How many 3's are there in the top? Okay, 2. Then 5. How many 5's are there? Okay, 4. Ready? And how many 10 is there? 3. Okay. So, the total become 9 by 36. You can write in the simplest form. Okay. How we can write the simplest form? We study fraction simplest form. You can divide the up and down number, numerator and denominator with the same. You will make it the simplest form. If you are confusing to write the simplest form, you can write 9 by 36. Okay, so one more example here. There are the 2 dice. One is written there 1 to 6, another is 1 to 5. You can complete the space diagram by adding. Because the question is complete the space diagram for the spinning both and adding their scores. Okay, you can complete the space diagram by adding. Okay, so what is the total outcome we got? 1, it is 6 and then 5, 6 into 5, 30. So, you will get 30 boxes are here. Okay, the probability total of 30. Question, probability of 11. How many 11 you can see here? Only 1. Okay, so 1 by 30. Probability of getting 7. Yes, 5 by 30. 8 or more. So, you will get 4. 4 and 9. Check the 4 and 9. You will get 6 by 30. The same number. Both. Okay. The same number on both the spinner. If you are taking one from the one spinner, you have to take another one. Okay, 1 and 1, 2, again 2 and 2, 4, 3 and 3. This is the way we are taking, the question is same number, 4 and 4. Okay, last one 5 and 5. So, how many number you got in the section? 5 by 30. Okay, so I repeat, you can complete the space diagram if it is addition or subtraction or multiplication, division according to the question. You can complete the space diagram and then write the answer. Okay, so here, okay, 1 coin and 1 dice. Some questions are there. Calculate the probability of getting, for scoring 4 on the dice and a head. Okay. So, you will get 1, only one condition, 4 and head is 1. Calculate the probability of scoring tail and even number, odd number. Okay, though you will get 3 by 12. 3 by 12, it is they written here, simplest form. You can write the correct answer, which one you got it. Head, and a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 number. Okay. So you will get 4 by 12. The simplest form is 1 by 3. Next one. Not 5, not head. Okay. So don't take the head section. Ready, leave it. Next one is tail, only tail section, and which number? 5. Don't take the 5, cross the 5. So remaining number, how many number you got? 5 by 12. There is no simplest form, that's why they write 5 by 12. Okay, so next one is a 6-sided and a 4-sided dice, and you have to write the product. Product means multiply. The dice, it is written there 1 to 6 in the top, down 1 to 4. You have to multiply 1 into 1, 1 and 2 into 1, 2. Okay, you can complete the diagram by multiplying. Some more questions are there. Even numbers. So you can check the even numbers. You will get 18 by 24. There are 24 outcomes. You can see the boxes, or you can multiply 6 and 4. Okay, so less than 10. What is the probability of getting less than 10? Count the number. You will get 15 numbers are the. Okay, not more than 2. Not more than 2 means you can take 1 and 2. Okay, they said not more than, maybe 2. Okay, so that's why 1, 2 and 2. So you will get 3 outcomes. It is clear. Not more than 2. What is the probability of getting? Not more than 1 and 2. 2 is not more than 2. Next one, multiple of 5. Okay, so this is the numbers. You got the multiple of 5, 4 numbers, 4 by 24. Okay, next number is a square number. Which are the square number? 1, 4, 9, 16. So count the number. Okay, correct. 6 by 24. And probability of getting 11. Where is 11 in this section? Okay, no 11. So there is no 0. Okay, so I think you understand this topic very well. Practice very well. We explained too much examples here. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the sample space diagram. Second, answer the question. Okay, and the answer is always incoming in the form of fraction. You will get worksheet in Google Classroom. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.